Hi guys! Welcome sa Asip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on factoring. So sa video na to, itutuloy natin yung practice exercises natin on factoring difference of two squares. Again, yung difference of two squares ay meron kang binomial. Both the first term and the second term are perfect squares. Tapos yung operation ay subtraction. So kaya siya difference of two squares kasi subtraction siya. Yung two squares, yung dalawang terms na parehong perfect square. And if you have a difference of two squares of the form a squared minus b squared, pwede mo siyang i-factor as a plus b times a minus b. So just a brief review, yung first term ay square root siya ng first term ng original expression. Yung second term ay square root din siya ng second term ng original equation. Tapos yung operation ng factors, isang plus, tsaka isang minus. Okay? So, yun lang yung pag-factor. So let's have our first practice exercise. X squared minus 100. So dalawa yung factors na binomial. Ang first term ay square root ng x squared, which is x. Yung second term ay square root ng 100, which is 10. Tapos yung operation, isang addition, tsaka isang subtraction. Next, y squared minus 25z squared. Again, dalawang binomials yung factors. The first term ng factors ay square root ng y squared. So, square root ng y squared ay y. Tapos yung second term ay square root ng 25z squared. Ang square root ng 25 ay 5. At ang square root ng z squared ay z. And then yung operation, isang addition, saka isang subtraction. Next, 9m squared minus 1/4 n squared. So, dalawa pa rin yung factors. Ang unang term ay square root ng 9m squared. Ano ang square root ng 9? That's 3. Square root ng m squared, m. Tapos, for the second term, ano ang square root ng 1/4? 1/2, di ba? Kasi 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. So, 1/2, square root ng n squared ay n. And then yung operation, isang addition saka isang subtraction. Next, we have x to the 6th minus 4. Dalawa pa rin yung ating factors. Now, for the first term, kukunin natin yung square root ng x to the 6th. Anong expression na may exponent na pag minultiply mo sa sarili niya magiging x to the 6th? That's x cubed times x cubed, di ba? Remember na pag nag-multiply tayo ng expressions na same base, tapos may exponent, ina-add natin yung exponent, diba? So ito magiging x to the 3 plus 3. Magiging x to the 6. So yung square root ng x to the 6 is actually x cubed. Yung square root ng 4 ay 2. So magiging 2 ito, magiging 2 rin ito. Tapos yung operations ay addition tsaka subtraction. Now, for the last exercise, we have x plus 3 quantity squared minus 4 squared. So, ito medyo complicated siya, pero one way to do this is to think of this as a single expression. So, perfect square yung x plus 3, perfect square din yung 4. So, dalawang factors. Ano ang square root ng x plus 3 quantity squared? X plus 3 lang, di ba? Ano ang square root ng 4 squared? 4, di ba? Tapos, yung operation, isang addition saka isang subtraction. Now, nasa inyo na, or depende na sa teacher nyo kung gusto nyo itong ipasimplify, no? Kasi pwede naman natin siyang isimplify. So, kung gusto nyo itong isimplify, magiging x plus 3 plus 4 tsaka x plus 3 minus 4, which is equal to x plus 7 times x. Yung 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So, x minus 1. Alright, that's it. Maraming salamat. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating tutorial. In the next video ay pag-uusapan naman natin yung factoring, sums, and difference of two cubes. So, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, invite your friends. Don't forget to like the video. and mag-subscribe kayo sa channel natin. See you in the next video.